Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best art tools is probably one of the most versatile and essential elements for creating stunning art, allowing artists of all skill levels to explore their creativity and bring their artistic visions to life with precision and control. Whether you are a seasoned professional or a curious beginner, selecting the right tools can significantly impact the quality, efficiency, and overall enjoyment of your art journey, from the type of nibs to the ergonomic design of the handles. The characteristics of the tools will directly influence your artistic process and final results. Number 5. Insnug Mandala Kit. This kit has everything you need to create beautiful mandala art. Let your creativity flow with our wide variety of tools and stencils. It includes over 20 dotting tools and 22 unique stencils, giving you endless design possibilities. You'll find the perfect tool for any project. It's not just for mandalas. Use it for rock painting, canvas art, nail art, and more. The possibilities are endless. It comes with easy-to-follow instructions and a size chart, making it perfect for beginners. Even experienced artists will appreciate the quality. The tools are easy to handle and clean. Simply wipe them with a damp cloth or sponge, and you're ready for your next project. This kit includes all the tools and stencils you need to get started creating stunning mandala art. Get yours today. What we like? It has everything you need to get started with dot painting, including a wide variety of tools and stencils. The included instructions make it perfect for beginners. If you're new to dot art and want a complete kit, this is the one for you. What people say. The tools are well made and comfortable to hold, which makes the painting process smooth and enjoyable. The tips are precise and durable, allowing for clean and consistent dot placement. The variety of dotting tools included is fantastic. There's a perfect size and shape for every detail of mandala designs. I just received this kit today, and I'm really impressed with the quality of the included items. You really do get everything you need, except paint, to make dot mandala art. The tools are all of the quality you'd find if you bought each of them separately, really solidly made. Even the cardboard rounds are really thick and sturdy. Where do I begin? In this box, you get 22 plastic stencils, a variety of paint brushes, 5 small tip dotting tools, 4 double-sided ball tools, 7 flat end acrylic rods, and a sheet of rhinestones. 3 black cardboard circles to practice, a paint palette to put your paints for dipping, a white pencil and eraser, a sponge, a small easel, 5 soft silicone tip tools and a zippered bag to keep your supplies in. Number 4. ABenkle Mandala Set. This comprehensive kit has everything you need to create stunning mandala art. It's perfect for rock painting, canvas art, and more. With 19 high-quality tools, it allows for a wide variety of dot sizes and styles. You'll have everything at your fingertips. The set includes 8 acrylic rods and 11 ball styluses in various sizes, ranging from tiny dots to larger, bolder ones. Experiment and find your perfect style. The included zippered bag keeps everything organized and protected, making it easy to take your art supplies on the go. A helpful stencil is included to make creating perfect mandalas easier than ever. It's the perfect tool for beginners and experts alike. The 12-well pigment plate is perfect for holding your paints, keeping them organized and easily accessible during your creative process. What we like? This set boasts a wide range of dotting tool sizes, ensuring you have the perfect tool for any project. The handy zippered bag makes it easy to transport your supplies. If you need a diverse selection of tools for various dot sizes and portability is key, this is your best bet. What people say. Great sizes and lots of them. Even after a few years, all of these products are just as good as the day they came. They are marketed for mandala dotting crafts, but I bought them for clay after seeing similar ones used in clay craft videos. The dotters could also be useful for nail art. I have used the sharp tool for bookbinding. Nice variety of uses, easy to work with. You get 3 different sets of tools and a nice cart case, along with a nice stencil to use. Well worth the price and then some. Number 3. ABenkle Dotting Tools. These versatile tools are perfect for nail art and other creative projects. They're made from high-quality materials for long-lasting use. It features 5 acrylic and 5 plastic tools, each with durable stainless steel balls. This ensures they're sturdy and reliable for all your crafting needs. With 10 different diameters ranging from 0.9 mm to 3.0 mm, you'll find the perfect size for any detail. Each tool offers 2 different sized ends for even more versatility. Each tool has 2 different sized ends, making them incredibly convenient. This means you can easily switch between sizes without needing multiple tools. They're designed to be lightweight and comfortable to hold, even during extended use. The 5.1-inch length makes them easy to maneuver for precise work. Use them for nail art, embossing, dotting, and more. They're suitable for natural nails, acrylics, and even for painting rocks and mandalas. What we like. Each tool has 2 different sized tips, doubling your options. These are high quality and long-lasting. If you value versatility and durability in a compact set, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Different size options are perfect for different projects. The variation in the colors and patterns on the handles makes it easy to pick the one you used before or the size that will fit the project. There are 20 different sized ball points to cover any need. I use them for underglazed dots on pottery. Number 2. Augshy Dotting Tool Set. This comprehensive set has everything you need to create stunning mandala art. It includes various sizes of dotting tools and a convenient storage pouch. With different sized dotting rods and ball styluses, you can create both tiny and large dots, giving you complete creative control. Explore your artistic vision. These tools aren't just functional, they're beautiful too. The colorful design and comfortable rubber handles make them a joy to use. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned artist, these tools are easy to use and perfect for rock painting and other creative projects. They're also a great gift idea. Made from high-quality plastic and stainless steel, they're durable, smooth, and easy to clean, ensuring years of reliable use. Get yours today. What we like. This set offers a nice variety of tools in different sizes, perfect for creating both fine details and larger dots. The tools are aesthetically pleasing and enjoyable to use. If you appreciate both functionality and a beautiful design, this is the one for you. What people say. The tools are fantastic, perfect for rock painting, well made, a variety of sizes for all needs, heavy. And as an artist who also works with polymer clay, this is a great set to use while sculpting too. All the tools you would need for any dot paint project. Love that it comes with the carrying case. Number 1. Dotting Tools Set. This comprehensive set has everything you need for your next creative project. It's perfect for adding intricate details to your work. You'll receive 5 wooden-handled tools, 4 blue-handled styluses, and 5 multicolored tools, all neatly stored in a convenient box. Each tool features a larger and smaller ball on each end, allowing for versatility in your designs. They're lightweight and easy to use. These tools are made from high-quality, safe materials. They're smooth, rust-resistant, and ergonomically designed for comfortable use. Use them for clay modeling, rock painting, nail art, paper flower making, and so much more. The possibilities are endless. The included box keeps everything organized and easy to transport, so you can take your creativity anywhere. What we like. Each tool features 2 different sized tips, providing versatility for various projects. The included box keeps everything organized and portable. If you want a well-organized and versatile set for various art forms, this is a great option. What people say. The smaller ones work very well, making round dots. Nice variety of sizes, very durable. Wipe clean. These tools are very well made. They work as expected and have various sizes. Got these to use on crafts for painting and dotting eye details on carvings. The many different sizes makes it easy for getting the perfect pupil and reflection dots on faces. They are made well and comfortable to use. The case is very convenient to store them in. The plastic handles and steel tips are easy to wipe and keep clean when using acrylic paints. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.